we've come to the end of the course. I know you didn't want it to end, but unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, right? That's what they say. And I just hope that you've learned something that you can be able to take and be creative. When I started playing the piano about 15 plus years ago, I would have never thought that I'd get in a position that I could teach someone else how to play. But I was so dedicated. I used to practice about 8 hours a day. It depends on how bad you want something, So if you really want to do music, if you want to create songs, if you want to write songs or just play, for the fun of it, then you definitely can do that too. And I hope that this course have inspired you to do just that. I hope this course have ignited passion in you to want to be creative, to tap into your creative side. And I'm so glad that you took this course. And I hope that you are too. Well, it's time to say goodbye. And I'll see you later.